Okay, let us start the summary of the lesson, the fun they had. In this lesson, there are two main characters. First, Margie. Second, Tommy. Margie was 11 years old. Tommy was 13 years old. Okay. Both are friend. Margie's friend Tommy. Okay. And another character, her mom. Her mother. Okay. Mrs. Jones. And another character, mechanical teacher. You know mechanical teacher? Mechanical teacher or robotic teacher. That means computers. ओके मैकेनिकल टीचर या रोबोटिक टीचर बोल सकते हो. ओके रोबोटिक यहाँ पे मैकेनिकल टीचर. ओके टू मेन कैरेक्टर्स. They are living in future. Near about this story is set in 2157. Okay, but this story is written 1950. Isaac Asimov, the fun they had relate in future condition, school of the future. Okay, come to the point. Margie, who was 11 years old, she had a good habit to write diary every day. She writes diary and mentioned everyday conditions. In 17 May 2057, that day she wrote in her diary, "Today Tommy found a real book." Today Tommy found a real book. Real book means that book you know about this. Actual book. Real means actual. What is actual book? This is actual book. Okay. Unreal book, that means that book which printed on computer screen. Okay. You know about diary. On every page of diary, date is mentioned. Okay, तो 17 May 2057, Margie in her diary wrote, "Today Tommy found an actual book." When Tommy told her that he found an actual book, Margie was surprised because he did not see any book like this. It was very old book. Once Margie's grandfather told her that when her grandfather was a little boy, his grandfather's grandfather told that time books were published on paper. That time when all stories were printed on paper, when they turned paper, means Margie and Tommy, they discuss about that books which Tommy had found. When they discuss about the book, they discuss about all pages. When they turned the pages were very yellow, crinkly, means turned. When they read it, they feel very funny. When they read it, they feel very funny, because when they read on his computer screen, the words on the computer screen slide. But in this book, the words that printed on paper not slide, they were still, they were silent. But the word of computer screen were moving. When they read that, the word of computer screen moving from here and there. But when they were reading the actual book, the words on printed paper are not moving, so they feel very funny. Okay. Tommy said, "This is very waste. Because when the old people are past read this, after read this, they threw it. They did not use in future, but the books on their computer screen did not misuse, and did not throw any time. In their television screen, they had million books. They did not throw it, never. They discuss about the books, and Margie asked Tommy, "What is about this book? What is written in this book? What topic is related to this book?" Tommy replied, It is related about school. School. Margie felt very scornful, very hateful. School, because she was boring in her school. Margie's school is a room that is situated in her home. In future, school will not like present time school. So Margie, when he heard the voice of school, she felt very hateful. School, because she was boring. And a mechanical test was given them. But in this time, a human being teacher give you instruction, give you some ideas to read a lesson or chapters. But in future, student have robotic teachers that give them instructions. They discuss about it. Tommy told Margie about the past school. He said that the past school is like a building where every human teacher used to go and teach all students. They had a special building and all students went there. They learnt their same things. They were same age. And that time in the school, students work their homework with the help of each other. All things about school, Tommy said to Margie. Okay, when they discuss about it, Margie's mother came and said, go in your classroom because it is time to read. It is time to your class. When Margie came in her classroom that was situated in her home, she sat on her desk, she sat on her chair, and like every day, robotic teacher was on that gave some instruction to Margie, but Margie did not listen the instruction of robotic teacher. She was moving the past school of the building, of the teacher, of the students. She thought they were very lucky when all students used to go school and learned together same things. So they feel, so Margie and Tommy felt the past school is better than the future school. Okay, that's it.